Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, afternoon, and evening to all audience. First of all, I respect Mr. Muntako Alvin Amanaf, SSTMT, as my advisor and examiner, and also all my dear friends. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Rizki Candra Wahyu Pratama. My student ID number is 19, 20, 10, and 21. I'm from the Telecommunication Engineering Diploma Study Program in Institute Teknologi Telkom, Purwokerto. On this occasion, I will present my proposal entitled IoT Implementation on the Monitoring Device of Soil Moisture. Next, this is my background in my proposal. Number 1, plantation. The plantation sector in Indonesia, both the monitoring, maintenance, and operational system are still partially run by conventional system. Number 2, Internet of Things. Internet of Things can connecting every type device to the internet. Number 3, monitoring. It's hoped that the plantation sector can monitor the maintenance and operation via the internet. Next, this is the formulation of problem. Number 1, how to design a soil moisture monitoring system to measure moisture level in plantation. Number 2, how to monitor soil moisture in real time. And number 3, how to deal with large plantation area coverage. The next, the scope of problem. Number 1, sampling on plantation land in the highland. And number 2, on measure soil moisture on plantation. Okay, the next, the goal of my research. The number 1, designing a soil moisture monitoring system to measure the soil moisture level of plantation. The number 2, make the system more accessible humidity information. And number 3, designing real-time soil moisture monitoring. And next, this is my research library on the proposal. And the next, soil moisture. Soil moisture state the amount of air stored between the pores of the soil. Soil moisture is very dynamic. This is caused by dynamic evaporation through the soil surface, transpiration, and percolation. Rainfall, soil type, and rate of evapotranspiration are factors that determine soil moisture, which will determine the availability of water in soil for plant growth. Okay, the next, Internet of Things. Everything which we can connect to the internet will become Internet of Things. Next is soil moisture sensor. The sensor consists of two probes to pass current through the soil, then read its resistance to get the value of the moisture level. Then the FC20X soil moisture sensor has an input voltage specification of 3.3 volt or 5 volt, an output voltage of 0 to 4.2 volt, a current of 25 milliampere, and has an ADC value range of 124 bits, ranging from 0 to 100 to 123 bits. And this is the picture of the cell moisture sensor. The next, this is the research flowchart. First, starting from looking for literature studies, then doing hardware design and software design. After that, testing according to the parameter. If the test is as expected, then proceed to the manufacture of the data result. Whereas if it is not appropriate, then a hardware redesign is carried out. And next, this is a system block diagram of the tool I made. First, the soil moisture sensor will take data in the form of soil moisture. Then it will be forwarded to Arduino and will be processed. After processing, the data will be displayed on the website or LCD. Okay, the next, this is the wiring diagram from I2C LCD to Arduino. The ground pin of the LCD is connected to the ground pin of the Arduino. Then the VCC pin of the LCD connected to the 5V pin of the Arduino. Then the SDA and SCL pins of the LCD are connected to pins A4 and F5 respectively to the Arduino. This is the picture of the wiring diagram on LCD I2C to Arduino. Okay, then this is a flowchart website. The following is a flowchart of the appearance on the website. First, when the prototype monitoring system is on, it will automatically search for the internet network. If it's connected to the internet, it will immediately display humidity data on the website. Meanwhile, if it's not connected to the internet, it will repeat and search for the internet network, and then finish. Okay, thank you for your attention, and maybe that's enough the presentation that I can convey. If there are shortcomings and mistakes, I personally apologize profusely, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.